Hello and welcome to this video tutorial brought to you by WolfWebDesign.co.uk. In this session, what I'm going to go over are two different methods of eliminating spam from your blog entries via the comments on your WordPress website. The two that I'm going to cover, one, thankfully enough, is free. And the other one involves a monthly payment system. Now you'll probably find that after only having your WordPress website live for about a week, that you'll start getting spam comments through your website looking something along the lines of this. You'll tend to find that the really generic comments that actually don't have anything really to do with the content that you've put on there. For example, fantastic WordPress site, or here's one about bringing you more traffic to your website. Just random things. Now, this is basically a marketing scam for different companies out there to try and get users back to their site. What I want to do is just run you through a few things that will stop them from coming through and bothering you every 5 minutes. So, as a lot of other videos out there point out, is that you can use the plugin that comes with the website called Akismet. All you have to do is simply activate it, as it comes with this already. The only downside to it though is that when you set it up, you have to get your own key. If we click on get your key and then click on get your key again, you'll notice that it gives you three options: Pro, Enterprise and High Volume, and that ranges anywhere between $5 a month and $100 a month, depending on what kind of site you're trying to protect. If you don't have the budget to use that, then this next option that I'm going to give you should help without having to pay a penny. So let me just deactivate that one again. So what you're going to want to do is install a new plugin. So let's click add new, and what we're looking for is a plugin called Quiz. So let's search for that plugin. There we go, it's the top one there. You'll already find that mine's already installed. What you'll want to do is click install, and then that'll load another page up, and you'll want to click activate. And once you've clicked activate, it'll take you back to the plugin screen, and if we scroll down, there we go, we can find Quiz. So click on settings, and what this shows you is well, basically, let me show you what it looks like. So this is my blog there. Normally I've got this set up so that people have to be registered to leave a comment. So you get your standard boxes such as your name, your email address, and obviously your content. The box that I've added to almost throw the automated spam out is just to pick a random question, because normally you'll find that spams that automatically generate content to put onto your website, they pre-fill all these boxes in, but by throwing this random box in there, it kind of throws it all out so they can't submit anything. And the question is simply, what is 1 plus 1? Now you've noticed that, just to throw the automated systems out even more, I've put the numerical one and the actual word one as well. So that's what we're going to be using. So as you can see here, this is already pre-filled in for you. You don't really have to worry about anything on here other than what question you'd like to use. So there's the question which I've put on there on the actual site, and I've given two possible answers separated by a comma, and that's the numerical 2 and the word 2, depending on what the person wants to use. So if an automated spam system decides to put in that, and that, when it comes to submit it, it'll get kicked back out again because they haven't answered the question. You must answer the questions, post the comments, go back to try again. So if we go back, and this time if we put in, I'm just going to put the number 2 in for example, click submit, and there we go. You'll find it's been submitted, although it's still waiting for moderation, but I'd always recommend you moderate all of your comments anyway, just in case. But there we go. That's a free way of eliminating spam to go through. Well, since I've installed this, which is been a while, I must say I've not had any spam. Well, yeah, no, think about it. Yeah, no, I haven't had any spam at all. It really works, and that is the free way, in my opinion, of stopping spam from going through without paying a monthly charge. I hope this video helped. If you have any more suggestions or comments that you'd like to feed back to me with regards to other how-tos, then please feel free to do so, either through the YouTube website or through wolfwebdesign.co.uk. Thank you.